Dear students, today we are going to learn about UPSC Civil Services Examinations Mains Paper, General Studies Paper 1, Syllabus. We are going to understand the syllabus of General Studies Paper 1 for Civil Services Mains Examination. We can divide General Studies Paper 1 syllabus as 4. First one, Indian Heritage and Culture, and History, and Geography, and Society. Now we can go for subtopics which needs to be covered under UPSC syllabus. First we are going to see Indian heritage and culture. It will cover the salient aspects of art forms, literature and architecture from ancient to modern times. Look at the syllabus very carefully. It will cover the salient aspects of art forms, literature and architecture from ancient to modern times. You need to focus on these topics from ancient to modern times and its subtopics: art forms, literature and architecture. How the question will be asked from the syllabus. Now look at the second point, previous year question paper from 2022. How will you explain that medieval Indian temple sculptures represent the social life of those days? Look at this question and keywords. How will you explain that medieval, it from ancient to modern times, Indian temple sculptures? Temple sculptures will come under architecture. So you need to cover the syllabus with the help of previous year questions. Next we are going to see history. First point, modern Indian history about the middle of the 18th century until the present, significant circles, personalities and issues. Look at this. Modern Indian history about the middle of the 18th century, which means 1752 until the present, significant circles, personalities and issues. You need to focus on significant events, personalities and issues from 1750. Look at the previous year question. Evaluate the policies of Lord Curzon and their long-term implications on a national movement. This question has been asked under the subtopic personalities. Next topic, the freedom struggle, its various stages and contributions or contributors from different parts of the country. This section will mainly focus on freedom struggle and its stages and their contributions and contributors. Look at the previous question. What was the difference between Mahatma Gandhi and Rabindranath Tagore in their approach towards education and nationalism? This will come under both contributions and contributors. Next topic, post-independence consolidation and reorganization within the country. It focuses on after the independence, how our country was consolidated and its reorganization. Look at the previous year question. Assess the main administrative issues and socio-cultural problems in the integration process of Indian princely states. This will come under post-independence consolidation, and its main keywords are administrative issues, socio-cultural problems, integration process of Indian princely states. Next topic, world history. It will cover events from 18th century such as Industrial Revolution, World Wars, redrawal of national boundaries, colonization, decolonization, political philosophies like communism, capitalism, socialism, etc., their forms and effect on the society. So here you need to focus on the world history from 18th century only. Look at the previous year question. Explain how the foundations of the modern world were laid by the American and French Revolution. To answer this question, you need to know about American Revolution and French Revolution. This will come under the section Events from 18th century. Next subheading, Geography. First point, salient features of world geography. Look at the third question. Why is India considered a subcontinent? Elaborate on your answer. This question will come under this section under features of world geography. Next point, distribution of key natural resources across the world, factors responsible for the location of primary, secondary and tertiary sector industries in various parts of the world including India. Look at the second question. Discuss the natural resource potential of the Deccan Trap. So this question will come under the section distribution of key natural resources across the world. Third point, important geophysical phenomena such as earthquake, tsunami, volcanic activity, and cyclone, which means you need to cover all geophysical phenomena. Look at the previous year question. What is the phenomenon of cloud bursts? Explain. This question will come under this section. Next, geographical feature and their locations. Changes in critical geographical features including water bodies and ice caps, and in flora and fauna, and the effects of such changes. Dear students, understand the syllabus very carefully and you need to focus on current affairs a lot for geography section. Next topic, society. First point, salient features of Indian society and diversity of India. So, you need to focus on the section Indian society and its diversity. Next, effects of globalization on Indian society. Look at the previous year question. Elucidate the relationship between globalization and new technology in a world of scarce resources with special reference to India. So, they are asking a question how globalization and new technology will help the world to combat the scarce resources with special reference to India. Next topic, role of women and women's organization, population and associated issues, poverty and development issues, urbanization, their problems and their remedies. Dear students, divide the topics to simplify our preparation. Role of women and women's organization, next population and associated issues, poverty and development issues, urbanization and their problems and their remedies. Look at the previous question. Explain why suicide among young women is increasing in Indian society. It will come under the section Role of Women and Women's Organization. Next question, does urbanization lead to more segregation and or marginalization of the poor in Indian metropolis? It will come under the section both poverty and urbanization. Students, with this topic, the syllabus for General Studies Paper 1 is over. Next, we will see General Studies Paper 2 syllabus in next video.